vlog. I'm about to go get a well-needed massage. It's still the chronicles for the birthday weekend. This is what I got on today. On some chill. I'm going to record content later, so you know I gotta kind of look semi like I'm ready to record some content. So this is my little fit for the food truck rodeo. So yeah, I gotta be there a little bit early to my massage appointment, so let's go ahead and go, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get there.
Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes,
Adrian did a good job. Time to get dressed and I'm out of here. Massage 10 out of 10. Shout out to Adrian.
At a bit inside, I feel it.
Take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around?
Favorite spot, Joy. Having a good time. Be back at our favorite spot. I got the. Oh, my bad. I got the Southern Shine zipper. Thank you. Shades on, that's why I can't see. That's where we're getting from right now.
Appreciate y'all, man. Let's do it like this. High volume.
Am I really that?